Hey racers, stuck on a loading screen in CarX 2024? Let's get you back on the road and admit it. First, check if your game is updated. Outdated versions often cause load hangs. Head up to your app store or Steam and hit update. No updates? Let's clear the cache. Android users, go to settings, apps, CarX, storage, clear cache. iPhone folks, offload the app via settings, general, iPhone storage, then reinstall. Reset glitches without losing progress. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall the game. This fixes corrupted files. Pro tip, use Wi-Fi or a stable download. PC players, verify the game files on stream. Right-click CarX Street, properties, local files, verify integrity. Also disable Steam Cloud, sync or delete save folders. Close background apps hogging RAM or internet. Update graphics drivers and ensure device meets minimum specs. If all else fails, contact CarX support at email and you're back in the race. Smash that throttle and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes. See you in the streets.